Good morning and welcome to CodeForce Chronicles. My name is Shruti. I'm a Salesforce consultant. Coming to today's video, we will be learning the latest summer release of Einstein Copilot and Prompt Builder, and where we can understand what is AI assistance when it comes to prompt builder. So I'll introduce Einstein Copilot. This is the agenda of today's session. I'll introduce Einstein Copilot, what is prompt builder, use cases in CRM, live demo. If you want, I can give it. That is, if you give it as a comment, I can give a live demo as well. Mini project overview and final thoughts. Live demo, I want you to make a video and send it to me so that I see and I can help you with the other theory, but you should have license. So if you have certain features which are available in the free org, use that and send me a live video. What is Einstein Copilot? It is an AI generative platform where we can read, narrate, but we cannot inherit. So it AI powered personal assistant within Salesforce CRM means it has everything, but it has nothing relatable to the context. Delivers intelligent recommendation summaries and action. That means it has everything, but the theory written as the recommendations. Integrated across department, sales, service and marketing. It means it is integrated in every form, and everybody should understand this is just a Einstein but not a pilot. But Copilot comes into picture when everything falls into place as a immense measure. Prompt builder overview. Low code or no code tool for admins. Create custom prompt for Einstein Copilot. Guide AI behavior with variables and CRM data. That means everything is placed in the context, but nothing is inherited in the properties, and everything comes into place when we place it correct. So when you place everything right, everybody will understand the context of whatever you have written, and you will come into consideration that this is a pilot batch and not a prompt batch. Pilot batch and prompt batch comes into picture when we read and narrate the entire theory over and over again. When there's no code, why do we need a prompt? But when there's a prompt, we need an answer. Why use prompt builder? To personalize Copilot outputs for your business, aligns AI responses with your company tone, ensures consistent, accurate, context-based answers. That means if you have anything that is relatable to your coordination, then we need an answer. So that is what is written in this slide, where everything falls into place, where everybody wants an accurate and movement in the momentum, but when it comes into place, everything reads and narrates according to the wish of the pilot and not the co-pilot. Co-pilot comes into picture when we read, narrate and inherit the properties of all the consistent behaviors. Prompt builder components. Prompt builder template structure. Template has structured text with placeholders. That means it has a placeholder, it has a name, but in between whatever we write is in the context of the prompt and answers. Data mapping connects Salesforce fields to placeholders. That means it has two-way connect, that is the data mapping and then the placeholder. So both connected together will give you in-ground notion. Grounding ensures Copilot uses up-to-date relevant data. That means anything that we write, narrate or do comes into grounding, and it comes into picture only when we write it or narrate it ahead. Einstein Copilot in action. Example prompt. Summarize this case for a service agent. That means any agent that is service should be an example prompt. And Copilot responsibly customer Jane Dio reported as an issue with, and then it goes on to the narration. But when it comes into picture, the example prompt and the Copilot response should be equal, and it should be necessary for the users. So if you have any doubts till here, you can post it in the comment, or you can DM me for any answers. Clear stance and boosts agent productivity. That means it saves times, it gives the agent productivity call, and then it comes into picture when the agent and the call are the same. So when we use anything as a use case or anywhere else, it is productivity. So this is your assignment for mini project today. Learn this concept, prepare your project and then come to me. So these are the use cases that I'll give you an exact project now. Sales, deal summary, forecast suggestions, service, customer history, solution recommendation, marketing, email drafts, campaign summaries. So these are the use cases where we use deal summaries. Means any deal which is cracked will come into picture. Forecast suggestions, when the forecasting is done. Service, when it comes into picture, it's customer's history, solution recommendation. That means both history and solution recommendations comes into picture when there are 2 or 3-way integrations, and it comes into picture as a Copilot. Marketing, email draft, campaign summaries are in place only when the summarized versions are in prompt. Prompt and prompt builder comes into picture only when the prompts are correct. So mini project, build your own Copilot prompt. Objective, create a custom prompt for Salesforce use case. Here you should have your licenses ready, you should prepare everything, and then you should come into picture. There are certain features like prompts in the builder where you can write everything, but the prompt will answer only if it's a licensed version, and it should be integrated in a proper manner. It comes to an admin, it's just a prompt which will be inherited in the context. Objective, create a custom prompt for Salesforce use case. Then steps, choose a business scenario, that is send a follow-up email to a client. So that time you have to write everything, but when it comes into the answer, it will give a template. That is, use prompt builder to draft the prompt template. That means use it wisely. Use the custom email prompt wisely, and then get an email template. Then map the fields of the Salesforce client, last meeting date in the template, and then test the Einstein Copilot, where you can test it by putting or inserting the right medium, that is the data, and then when it comes into picture, you can boost your confidence by writing it as Einstein. Einstein Copilot. If I understand everything, there is one license version which is free available, and there's one which is not. So according to that, you have to build this and share your results, screenshot or screen recording to me. I will help you with that. Then bonus, add a feedback loop using Copilot generated insights. That means if there's an insight or a Copilot insight, it will come into place, and the placement should be proper, and imperfect conversations will not be accepted. So everything should be in hand, everything should be in place, and then everything should be answered in the right manner. So these are the 3 things which you have to keep in mind while giving the feedback. And once everything is ready, send the PDF to me. No need the recording if you are not comfortable. Just send me the PDF. I'll look into that and I'll answer your questions. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you can contact me at shruthinarasi@gmail.com or the number given below. So you can talk to me, and I also would like to bring in that I do consultation for 1 hour. It's 1,000 rupees for 1 hour. If you want, you can contact me on the same. And if you have any feedback or any improvisations which I have to do during my course of journey as a YouTuber, you can let me know. And please comment and share as many as share this video or all the videos to as many as people, so that it teaches a big background and everybody gets employed. Thank you.